How to recover deleted project on CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily recover your deleted project on CapCut. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. For recovering your CapCut project, so firstly open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, you can see your project. So now I want to remove any project, then I will show how I will recover it. So after selecting the project, so click on delete option. So after this, click on move option. So you can see this project is deleted. So let's know how to recover it. So after this, here you can see the options of library. So click on library and then scroll down. So after click on scroll down, here is the options of trash. So just click on trash and then you can see the deleted video. So if I want to recover this project, so press and hold on this video. So after this, you can see here restore option. So click on restore. So here you can see that project is again restore. So you can see in this way you can recover your project on CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.